Most content creators don't fail because they lack talent, they fail because they waste money on the wrong gear. Expensive camera, flashy accessories, and influencer setup look impressive, but they rarely help the beginners to grow. Today, I will show you the best tech for the content creators on a budget based on what actually improve content quality, save time, and help channels grow in the real world. So before starting the video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my tech reviews. So let's get started now. The biggest mistake budget creators make is buying gear in a wrong order. They spend thousands on cameras before fixing audio. They upgrade equipment instead of upgrading consistency, and they chase specs instead of results. The truth is simple. Your audience doesn't care what camera you use. They care whether your content is clear, understandable, and valuable. A smart content creator setup is not about owning the best gear. It's about removing limitations that stop you from creating regularly. Let's start with the cameras because this is where most people overspend. If you own a modern smartphone, you already have a capable camera. For YouTube, shorts, and social media content, phones can deliver excellent results when paired with lighting and stable framing. Budget mirrorless cameras are also a solid option, but they are not mandatory for the beginners. What matters more than camera price is clear framing, proper focus, stable shots, and consistent lighting. A well-lit video from a budget camera will always look better than the poor lit footage from an expensive. If there is one place where creators should spend money first, it's an audio. Viewers will tolerate average video quality, but they will leave immediately if audio is unclear, echoing, or distorted. A simple USB microphone or a budget lavalier mic can completely transform your content. Good audio increase watch time, improve trust, and make your video feel professional even if everything else is basic. This is the single highest return on investment upgrade for any content creator. So you keep these points in mind. Lighting is the most underrated part of content creation. Proper lighting improves image clarity, reduces noise, makes color looks natural, creates a professional appearance. A simple LED light or a soft box can make a budget camera look expensive. You don't need a studio setup. One key light placed correctly can completely change the quality of your video. If you are choosing between the upgrading your camera or buying lighting, lighting should come first in the mix. Editing doesn't require an expensive workstation. What matter is fast storage for quick file access, enough RAM for smooth playback, and stable software performance. A balanced laptop combined with an external SSD often deliver a better editing experience than an expensive machine with low storage. Efficient workflows save more time than powerful hardware alone. Budget creators should focus on accessories that remove friction. Full accessories include tripod or desk mount for stability, external storage for backups, basic acoustic treatment to reduce echo, a comfortable headphone for editing. So avoid buying accessories just because they look good on camera. Every tool should solve a real problem in your workflow. Here is what budget creators should avoid. Expensive cameras too early, overpriced RGB lights with no real benefits, accessories bought only for aesthetics, and gear that doesn't improve quality or efficiency. If a purchase doesn't save time, improve quality, or increase consistency, it is probably unnecessary. A smart budget creator setup focus on audio first, then lighting second, camera third, and workflow efficiency throughout. I have linked the best budget creator tech below with the updated price. If this guide helped you, subscribe for honest, research-based tech content that actually help creators grow. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.